This lesson covers 5 important fruits: apple, banana, orange, grape, and strawberry. These are common fruits you see every day at markets and stores. Learning their names helps you shop and talk about healthy food in English. The 5 fruits in this lesson are apple, banana, orange, grape, and strawberry. Each fruit has a special name, shape, color, and taste. We learn one fruit at a time with pronunciation and description. Apple is pronounced apple. Apples grow on trees and come in red, green, and yellow colors. They have smooth, shiny skin and crisp texture inside. Apples taste sweet with some tartness and are very popular worldwide. Banana is pronounced banana. Bananas grow in tropical areas in big bunches. The yellow skin peels easily to show soft white fruit inside. Bananas taste very sweet and creamy with a smooth texture. Orange is pronounced orange in American English or orange in British English. Oranges are round citrus fruits with thick, bumpy orange skin. Inside, they have juicy segments that taste sweet and tangy. Oranges grow on trees in warm climates. Grape is pronounced grape. Grapes grow in clusters on vines like tiny round balls. They come in green, red, and purple colors with smooth, thin skin. Grapes taste sweet and juicy and are eaten fresh or made into raisins. Strawberry is pronounced strawberry. Strawberries are small red fruits with tiny yellow seeds on the outside. They have a sweet flavor with seeds you can see and feel. Strawberries grow close to the ground on small plants. Apple has a round shape with smooth skin that shines when clean. Different varieties show red, green, or yellow colors on the outside. The inside stays crisp when you bite and mixes sweet taste with some tart flavor. Apple trees need cool weather to grow well. Banana grows long and curved with thick yellow skin when ready to eat. Peel the skin to find soft, creamy white fruit inside that smells sweet. Bananas grow hanging in large bunches high on plants without wood trunks. They come from hot tropical regions. You learned 5 basic fruits: apple, banana, orange, grape, and strawberry. Practice saying their names and recognizing their shapes and colors. These fruits help you talk about food shopping and healthy eating in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.